Check this out! The Disney Store has made Shuri from Marvel Black Panther. Wakanda forever! Wait a minute! We made a Princess Shuri using Princess Tiana. So you know what that means. Time for a versus. Disney Store versus DIY. The Disney Store Shuri is a special edition doll for ages 3 and up. Just looking at her in the box, she is very impressive. She is considered an action doll and is dressed for battle. At the Disney Store, this doll cost $39.95, which is pretty much $40, a little more if you include tax. On the back of the box, there is a picture of the actress from the movie wearing that famous Shuri makeup. Underneath it says, Special Edition. In collaboration with Marvel Studios, the Disney Store is proud to introduce the Marvel Special Edition Action Dolls. This exclusive series captures our heroes in incredible detail, inspired by the groundbreaking films of Marvel's Cinematic Universe. Shuri is T'Challa's younger sister and head of the Wakanda Design Group, where she designs and builds futuristic tech such as the Black Panther suit with vibranium mined from the Great Mound. She is an innovator, intelligent beyond her years, and always ready to give her big brother a hard time. Wasn't expecting that last line there. Let's get this action doll out of the box for a closer look.
They say I'm full of trouble.
Out of the box, you can see some indentions left from the packaging. It was a little bit of a struggle to get her out of the box because they had so many ties holding her in place. It is possible to balance her to stand on a flat surface. However, if you touch the table or bump it, she's gonna fall over. She stands a little under 10 inches if you don't count the hair, making her a lot shorter than our other dolls. She has braids! They are dark brown with blonde highlights, and there is a ribbon of purple braided in. It looks like her hair is shaved in the back, which is really cool. However, this doll's hair is not meant to be taken down. In order to keep the top flat, they mainly root it around the edges. If you part the hair, you can see a lot of painted scalp. There are a couple of hairs throughout, but I think if we took the hair down, you would definitely see the scalp. I think the face does resemble the actress, where ours looks like Princess Tiana, because it is Princess Tiana. However, they have pretty much the same articulation. They can move at the head, shoulder, elbow. Let's remove her accessories. She has a fist. And she can move at the wrist and has a bend and snap knee. So yep, it's the same articulation as Princess Tiana. I am not overly excited about the fist. Both hands are balled into fist, but one does have a tattoo, which is a unique detail. Speaking of details, let's check out her clothes. She wears a collar that cannot be removed without cutting through the plastic on the back. She wears a one-piece jumper with printed details, which has a real zipper in the back, so that is pretty cool. She has a wrap with metal details, and it velcros in the back. Our doll is pretty much sewn into her clothes, so there are not a lot of options for changing. Okay, Disney Store, you got me there. She has flat shoes that are very easy to remove, and you'll see that her feet are quite small. She wears arm cuffs that can be removed, and her Panther blaster gauntlets. Sorry, I don't know the official name. So her whole outfit would have been removable if it wasn't for the collar. Well, technically that's still removable if you're willing to cut through the plastic, which I'm probably not. For our Princess Shuri, we went a different route. My dress design was inspired by the beginning of the movie when we found her working in her lab. We added a layered train to give it a little princess glam, but we still added her battle makeup. Then we built her a lab because I love the fact that she is super smart. Our Princess Shuri stands at about 11.5 inches tall, so she is a perfect fit for our Dollyverse. The original Princess Tiana doll cost me probably about $12. Then we spent another $5 or so in fabric and accessories, so I'm thinking this doll cost around $17 to make. But it did take a lot of time. Rerouting her hair was most of it. The special edition Shuri is around $40, but she is ready to go right out of the box. I think both dolls have their pros and cons. I think it's awesome that this one looks like the actress. However, I prefer the glam look. So the question is, Disney store or DIY? Let us know in the comments down below which one is your fave. And I promise my feelings will not be hurt if you pick the Disney store because they honestly did a great job. Well, they won't be hurt much. Did I mention we built a lab? Check out our custom Shuri video. It is now 1 year old. Ooh, I know. Maybe these two could be sisters in our Dollyverse. Could you imagine a world with two Shuris? They could create all kinds of stuff like vibranium sneakers that can help you jump over buildings. Or a simulator that would allow you to walk around on the USS Enterprise. Oops. Sorry. Wrong movie. Thank you for joining us for this Versus. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Versus.
Run a champion, a champion. This is me.